Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1217 at Moxy Kuala Lumpur Chinatown. So I would do the introduction outside as usual, but there is music playing in the hallway, so I did the introduction inside instead. So outside the room, we have the room number, and below the room number, we have the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the floor plan on the back of the door. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the climate control panel, the makeup room and do not disturb switches, slot to insert the key card for the room's power, various light switches for the room. There is a power outlet down there. And right above, we have various hanging points together with 4 hangers, a table of some sort, and some chairs right over there. Okay, so here we have a bath mat, and behind this door, we have the toilet with the handheld bidet, a bin, toilet roll, sort of like a hanging place, and a hook right there. Here we have another hook. Here we have the towel, and behind this door, we have the shower area with a stool, handheld shower, a rain shower right above. There we have a place to put a bar of soap. And there we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel, all by the Mangosteen brand. So here we have the sink area with hand soap, again by the Mangosteen brand. We have a couple of glasses right there, box of tissues, all the bathroom amenities with a couple of towels, bottles of water, kettle, mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff. We have 2 power outlets right there with the hair dryer, a mirror, hello, lights right above. And below the sink, which is right there, we have more towels. There we have the in-room safe, a fridge which is empty so you can put your own items in there, the bin, power outlet. Down here, we have empty drawers for storage. Here we have the flat screen Samsung TV, and here we have the bunk bed area. Below the bed we have storage areas. There we have the laundry bag and in-room slippers. So as I said, it is a bunk bed setup, so we have 1 bed down here. Right in there we have a power outlet with USB-A and USB-C ports for charging, and a light right above. And if we walk up here, we have the second bed, and we have the same light and power outlet USB-A and USB-C ports right up here as well. Better look at the room from up here. Okay. Further inside, we have a table with writing materials, the TV remote, in-room telephone, light switches. We have artwork right there, standing light, a deck chair with a power outlet down there, a cutout right there to put items on. It is illuminated as well, and we have a shelf right there again to put items on. Now as for the view out, you can see The surrounding buildings in the distance, I will show you a better view in the morning. But the main view of the room is the Merdeka 118 Tower, right in the middle. Okay, so this is the view out of the window the next morning. We have TRX Tower right there, all the various buildings in the distance. We also have the 118 Tower right there. Yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1217 at Moxy Kuala Lumpur Chinatown. Thanks for watching and goodbye.